Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you what is Smart Gimbal Mode on the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. So Smart Gimbal Mode is a mode that assists you in shooting videos. And to enable it, first we need to go to the video shooting mode, tap on this little icon on the left, and here we have different modes. So we have things like Spotlight Follow, so it's going to follow the subjects that you add. And then we have Dynamic Framing, so the joystick is, you can switch the focus frame with the joystick. And Spin Shot is basically an option that allows you to rotate the camera 90 degrees or 180 to have unique camera movements. And these options just make your recordings better. And if you want to find out how to use each one of those, make sure to check out the videos on our channel. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.